Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and use sections in Microsoft Forms. Sections are incredibly useful for organizing your form into logical groups, making it easier for respondents to navigate through longer surveys or quizzes while keeping everything structured and clear. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your existing forms and the option to create a new one. Now, you have two choices here. You can either click on New Form to start from scratch, or if you already have a form you'd like to add sections to, simply click on that existing form to open it. Either way works perfectly fine depending on your needs. Once you're inside your form, look for the Section button in the toolbar. Click on it, and you'll immediately see a new section added to your form. Here, you'll be prompted to type a section name. For example, you might call it Section 1. You also have the option to add a description underneath the section name. This description can provide context or instructions for the questions that follow, though it's completely optional. With your section created, it's time to add questions. Click on the Add New Question button, which typically appears as a plus sign. This will open a menu showing you all the different question types available in Microsoft Forms. For this example, let's say you want to use the choice question type. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a field where you can type your question. Let's type something like, which organ pumps blood through the human body? This is where you pose the question you want your respondents to answer. Below your question, you'll see option 1. Click on this field and type in your answer choices. For our example, you might type heart. You can continue adding more options by clicking on the additional option fields that appear below. The beauty of sections is that you can repeat this process to build out your entire form. Simply click Add New Question again, select your preferred question type, whether that's choice, text, rating, or any other format, and continue adding questions within the same section or create new sections to organize different topics. And there you have it, you've successfully created and used sections in Microsoft Forms to organize your questions logically and professionally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.